Hi, good afternoon. This is regarding assignment 2 for chapter 3, and this is found on page 204 and 205 in your textbook. And I just wanted to show you a suggested format. You don't have to use this one if you've come up with something different on your own. The text does reference page, or the rubric does, page 131 if you want another example. What my example shows is that you do have, if you notice on the chart in 205, orientation, silent auction, spring fling, and a homecoming event. And there are revenues and total revenues, expenses and total expenses, and net profit. And if you read through the first column, it says projected ticket sales and price per tickets, and that's down here. The venue rental is down here also in your assumptions. There's refreshments, security, marketing, and other expenses. And then you have to divide that out between revenues and expenses. And it needs to have a net profit. You do need to include a title and a subtitle. You need to format the columns and the rows, the columns here and and the rows appropriately. The information within each one should be indented some. You do need to have an assumptions area. I just gave you a couple of hints, like ticket sales in table 3-12 says it's $150, and then $300 for spring fling, and then $500 just to kind of give you a going. Venue rental for the orientation is $125. All right, and then security, there's a flat fee for security, which is $200, and you need to carry that all the way through. And then marketing and other expenses. And according to the rubric, you do need the assumptions table. There needs to be formulas calculated all through here. Do not just enter in your number because you will lose points. And do not forget the question in part 2 of this part where you have to answer the question. Okay, you can reference the rubric for additional help, and you can also ask me. If you have any questions, let me know.